And before we get into the top 10 list, I'd like to introduce you to Felix, my cat. You look so confused, like, what is going on here? Welcome to the show, Fee. My name is J.C. Sipes, and welcome to the top 10. I think I need a softer surface to do that. We're going to do the top 10 animals I would recommend you stay away from. For inspiration, I'm going to use my animal box. So this video is dedicated around my animal box. Animals I would recommend you stay away from. Mainly it's due to dangerousness. Coming in at number 10, we have wild boar. May it look cute at first, but don't forget they're wild. So if you encounter one, they will charge at you. I don't think anyone has died from hog attacks. Would I? I think they're still dangerous nonetheless. I have silverback gorilla. These things only live in the jungles of Africa. They seem friendly because they're related to humans, but you get too close and this gorilla will destroy you. So, the best way to survive it is curl into a ball. Okay. Number 8, the stingray. You don't know that Erwin was killed by one of these, but the harpoon tail of a creature actually impaled his heart several times. And because of her name, I wouldn't want to go near a stingray due to how dangerous. Best way to survive it? Get out of the water. Number 7, bull. Bull is famous for its short temper. Many people believe that it hates the color red, but it's actually colorblind, so it can't see. Well, bulls can have a fast charge. It's their horns that makes them dangerous. So if you go near one, it will destroy you. Best way is to throw a piece of clothing like a hat, throw it far away, and then and get the bull to chase it. 6. West African lion. I would recommend you to stay away from this creature because it's considered the king of the savannah. They like to hunt and slash for prey. And they hunt pretty much anything they could find. Elephants, giraffes, hippos, oaks, bison, buffalo, and even the dangerous warthog. And lion is the top predator there, so no natural enemies. So watch out. What number we were at? Number 6. Number 5. Saltwater crocodile. They have the strongest bite force of any living creature. And powerful tail, so you might want to stay away from it. That's all. Number 4. African elephant. Don't let their cuteness fool you. Elephants are dangerous. And it's best to stay away from them because they can charge your safari jeep and even trample you with their giant round feet. Number 3. Any type of bear. Because of their giant claws and usually apex predator for land, stay away from any bear. No matter if it's the grizzly bear, the black bear, the polar bear, or even the panda. Until we have a tie between the tiger and the great white shark. Both animals are apexes, so are top of our food chain. Tiger is the biggest cat in the world with giant slashes and great pounce abilities. The great white shark is the biggest carnivorous fish, making it way and more dangerous bite. You all know it for jaws, right? Number 1. The one The only snake, the most venomous creature in the world. Snakes have a reputation of ending in about 1,000 people each year. But snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica. But no one can live in Antarctica. So, best way to survive one is to get an ambulance. Bye.